ano, okay lang yung damit niya. May ano dito.
O, tanggalin mo na yung boot.
Oh, madisgrasya yan, mga kapit.
Well, possession, nakapunta sa Ateneo. There's a foul foul, jersey number 33. 2 free throw.
Pass to Ship. No good. Nakakuha niya si number 3. Jersey
Unang
number
free throw na
3.
jersey number 30. Pasok yan.
Nakakuha niya paliligan. Paliligan.
2-8, official score.
Tolo.
Pangalawang free throw. Wala. There's a line ball. Ball possession pa rin natin eh. 14 shot clock.
2 more shot by Nandado. Score natin 7-4.
Jersey number 22. Back to jersey number 34. Back to 2. Pasok yan. Rebounds. 4-8. 4-3. Apat na lang. Jersey number 92.
Jersey number 14. Pass to Saragosa.
Pass jersey number 0. Kapit tawag bola. Nakakuha na yung Ateneo. For steal by jersey number 33. Pagkat for 2 by jersey number 23. Jersey number 6. Jersey number nakapita ang bola. Pero ball possession pa rin natin na 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. To shoot. There's a foul again. Foul. Wala. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 19, no good.
Ayun with the ball possession, looking for a teammate. Ball address. 3 points.
There's a foul, jersey number 0. Pushing foul.
Jersey number 31.
Jersey number 11. Here to go. Batak na get foul, pushing foul. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 19.
Jersey number 00 din.
30 foul, first personal foul.
Idol, looking for a teammate. Nagawan. Jersey number 24, binasa kay Hano with 2 points.
There's a...
Jersey number 0 yung nakaras. Binasa kay jersey number 21. Binasa ilalim.
Diba? Jersey number 22, jersey number 33. Out of bounds. Jersey score natin 4 7 minutes remaining. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 6, pull over 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 0. Pass good play. To Levi. Jersey number 66, malakas sa kanyang tira. Pero natin, offensive rebound. Si jersey number 24, wala pa rin na reverse pair. Pero offensive pa. Jersey number 33, pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 23. May possession pa rin. Ateneo. Go. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 11. Tumira wala. Iba ba jersey number 33? Pass to Levi. Levi na yun. Libre. Pura lang malakas. Iba ba jersey number 6? Pass to jersey number 22. To jersey number 30. Pull up. Yes sir. For 2 points by jersey number 30. 6-10. Apat na lang. Alamangan. Jersey number 0. Pull by jersey number 22. To jersey number 30. To jersey number 11. Nice pass. To jersey number 30. Pero meron foul doon. Spotted. Jersey number 24. Warning for penalty ang good dive. Warning, pero may dalawang free throw doon si jersey number 23.
Pass break play binigay kay jersey number 14.
Unang free throw.
For jersey number 14 naman.
Wala. Jumpers ready.
Navarro setting a play. Navarro, inaarap si Yorme. Navarro with 4.
Pangalawang free throw, wala.
High foul on jersey number 31. Yorme.
Jersey number 33 to jersey number 66.
Navarro naman inaarap naman ni Yorme.
14 shot clock.
Navarro with an open 3.
Jersey number 66. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 66. Ganda mo to. Para kay jersey number 66. Jersey number 11.
Jersey number.
Masover, there's a foul. Jersey number 19. Penalty. Penalty na po ang good type.
By jersey number 3. First throw.
Second personal foul. Jersey number 19. And penalty. Merong free throw jersey number 11. Wala.
Second throw. No good.
Second free throw. The first ready. Pag pumasok, timeout.
Chip, bumilis.
Wala. Rebound by jersey number 0. Ng good life.
0-0, no good. Ako na naman ang buwan ng Belen.
Jersey number 62. Back to jersey number 33. Jersey number 19. Tulak. Palakas. Rebound by jersey number 23. Jersey number 6. Take. Timeout by good life. Official score natin.
Dugado.
8 point.
Nigilig ni Yorme.
4-point lead by good life.
Wala. Jersey number 9.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 57 seconds.
Dawan ni 0-0. Nagpapadali. 0-0 ang hawak ng bola. 0-0. Looking for teammate.
Back to the ball game.
14 seconds to shoot. Navarro breaks. Crossover moves. 10 seconds to shoot.
Bola ng good life.
Lumawalang bola. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Navarro binigay kay Ship. Lumawalang bola. Ship in a crossover. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Jersey number 24.
Jersey number 24, second play. To jersey number 66.
Nadado, fakes.
Binalik kay jersey number 24. Matake na. Bitawan yung bola. Pero napunta kay Libay. Back to jersey number 24. There's a foul. He's fouled.
Broken ako na 0-0 na tayo.
Jersey number 23. Pushing foul.
Floater.
First personal foul. First team foul. May dalawang free throw si Torres. Jersey number 24. Unang free throw. Pasok yan.
Broken ako na
Pangalawang free throw. Ano natin kung papasok.
Jersey number 0-0 yung isa. First personal
Wala. Defensive rebound. And one is foul. Jersey number 23. Second personal foul. Jersey number 23. Second team foul. And bonus free throw sa jersey number 0. The first ready.
10 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
Pasok yan.
Nabarang masbas. 15 seconds.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
10 seconds.
O, second fight natin. Prepare na po.
Yorme, last 5 seconds.
Jersey number 6. The jersey number 22. Nakawala pero wala ang kanyang player. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to play to jersey number 66. Balangas na pasa. Jersey number 0. Sayang yun.
18-9 in favor of MVP.
Jersey number 6. Second play.
Pasok na po ang
The jersey number 23. Pull up for 3. No good. Defensive rebound by jersey number 11. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 11. Pass to play to Levi. Malakas na kanyang tira. Sayang yan. Jersey number 11, Safra. The jersey number 6. Take. There's a foul. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 33. Second personal foul. Jersey number 33. Penalty. May dalawang free throw. Si jersey number 6. Unang free throw. Wala.
Dap sa ball, ang ating bola. Dap sa ball. Dap sa ball.
Jumpers ready.
Dap sa ball.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 0. Good life. Aras by jersey number 30. Pati jersey number 66. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 22. Time out po ang Ateneo. Joseph, water.
FTP.
Joseph, water.
Jersey number 18. T.
Back to the ball game. May dalawang free throw ba? Yung jersey number 66. Unang free throw, wala. 55 seconds remaining.
Second set na po tayo ng 5 match.
So second,
Ba't dito ka?
second fight natin. Return na po.
Pang chay ka.
Dalawang free throw, pumasok. 17, 10, 7-point lead. 35 seconds.
Jersey number 18.
Jersey number 11, kapit by jersey number 66. Good, wala rin sa kabila. Prospect play to jersey to Lipay. Libreng-libre. Wala, sayang. Big defensive rebound by jersey number 66. Back to jersey number 24. Steal by jersey number 22. Counter steal by jersey number 0. Wala pa rin ang kanyang layup. 10 seconds. Jersey number 6 remaining. There's a foul spotted.
Binigay na
Jersey number 33.
Binigay ko si
Third personal foul. Oh, wala na oras.
Match 3.
Free na lang yan. May penalty.
Jackie 2 points.
Pasok. Second fight. Both teams prepare po.
Jersey number 32 binigay kay Max. Jersey number 8 binigay kay jersey number 33.
Sana.
10 seconds to shoot.
Official score natin 11-17. 6-point lead.
Jersey number 18.
Oh, second fight. Both team. Pasok na po.
Nakuha ni Jordan. Number 33 pinapasok na po ni jersey number 18.
Good night po.
There's a foul. Jersey number
Depensa ngayon Ateneo.
First personal foul. First foul. Second throw.
Bola, good night.
Nakuha ni jersey
Jersey number 23. Hey, si jersey number 0.
binigay kay Jordan. Nakuha na ni
Nag-good 2 point. Jersey number 7. Ng good night.
Ito na ako ni jersey number 24.
Jersey number 7, Dario. Si jersey number 18. Back to Dario. Matake sa gitna.
Nakuha ni
Darwin layup, wala. Kanina na po na bola. Offensive rebound para na kay jersey number 18. To record 2 point.
0-0.
Jersey number 18. Jersey number 23 for 3. Good. Wala ng Ateneo.
No go dapat jersey number 18 pinapasok kay jersey number 14. Jersey number 14.
Dario yan. Give it the ball.
Pinasa kay jersey number 18. Pasa kay 68 na break.
Si jersey number 18. Matake. Wala.
There's a foul. Jersey
Jersey
number
Bunso. Wala ng good night.
32. Jersey number 32. First personal foul. Second team foul. First row is no good. Jersey.
Jersey number 3. For jersey number 23. Ilanes. Amigo. Still by jersey number 25. Pass to Dario. Dario yan. Crossover. Matake sa gitna. There's a foul. Foul rep. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. May dalawang free throw doon si Mr. Dario. Unang free throw. Pasok.
Ganda naman doon with 2 points again for jersey number 00.
Dalawang free throw. Jumper swing.
Jersey number 13.
Kompleto.
Pinasa kay Jordan.
Official score 15-19. 4-point lead. Kaya good night. Tingnan. Setting play.
Number 18 na pumaspak.
Bola for 2. Shoot.
Number 18, 68. No good now.
Wala na. Ateneo.
Bigay kay Jordan.
Jersey number 18.
Tristan.
Give me the ball.
Pass 3. No
Pass
good.
to jersey number 25. To Dario.
2 points.
Back to jersey number 25. Atake sa gitna. To jersey number 6. Pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Ready. To jersey number 4. Nasindot ang bola. Si jersey number 6. Napunta sa Ateneo. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 52. Fake. Pull up. There's a foul. Pushing foul sa ilalim. Who's fouled? Jersey number 7. First personal foul. Second team foul. 4-point shot clock.
Jersey number 0. Pumersa. 2 points with a power layup.
So, 10 to shoot. Shoot. Wala ng good life.
Pass to jersey number 32. With 10 seconds to shoot.
Wala na siya.
No good.
Steal by jersey number 6. Dario ngayon. That's by jersey number 4. Jersey number 52. Nabitawan yung bola. Bola ng good life. Sayang yun.
Jersey number 32. Pass 3. No good.
Jersey number 7. Pagdalang for 3. Short. Rebound by Dario. Pass to jersey number 18. To jersey number 6 at a traveling violation by jersey number 6.
With 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Score natin ay 28-11 in favor of FP2.
We should score natin 15-19. Good life. 4-point lead. Rebound by jersey number 6. Ng Ateneo. It's the close. There's a foul. Started. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. And 13 foul by good life. And dalawang free throw doon sa jersey number 6. Unang free throw. Pasok.
It's off water. Committee here. 1 back.
Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan.
Jersey number 30.
Dalawa na lang pala. Ang kalamangan ng good life. 17-19. 2-point lead. Hey, Batake. Nag-go 2 point by jersey number 1.
Read that. Kaya mo sasabihin lang 10 seconds to shoot.
Jersey number 7. Dario.
3. Short ako na naman.
Nabitawan yung bola pero counter steal by Dario.
Jersey number 18. Pass. No good number.
10 to shoot.
2 points yan.
Wala. Kaya libre sana yan. Nilanis niya. Ibo na go. Aras by jersey number 6. To jersey number 7. To jersey number 24. For 3. 18. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Pass to Sigara. Jersey number 52. Nabitawan yung bola. Steal by good life. Pass to Gana. Gana ngayon. To jersey there's a foul. Barret. Jersey number 7. Time out by good life. Official score natin, 17. 17-21. Dalawang free throw doon, si D.
Ball game na po tayo.
Yung free throw, wala. Jumper 30.
Last 5 seconds to shoot.
Pasok. 22-17. Back to 5-point lead.
Jersey number 23.
Jersey number 7, Dario. Blocked by jersey number 28, pero reverse layup. Mayo. And one tayo. Who's fouled? Jersey number 28.
10 seconds to shoot.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Good night. Bonus shot. Jumpers ready.
Take away 2 points again.
Wala. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 23. Step back. Matake sa gitna. Side step. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Block by jersey number 4. Pero ball possession pa rin ng Ateneo. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 13 shot clock.
23. Jordan. Valencia. Binigay niya yung mama. 3 points again.
Nabitawan ni jersey number 25 yung bola. Napunta kay Gala. Gala ngayon. Nabitawan yung bola. Napunta kay jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 52. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 7. Penalty. Third personal foul. Jersey number 7. Penalty na tayo. May dalawang free throws si jersey number 52. Official score 19-22. 3-point lead. Walang free throw. Yung jersey number 52. Wala. Jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pero still doon. Yung jersey number 18. Pero meron tayong jump ball. Bola ng Ateneo.
Jersey number 00. That's 10 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds. 2 points for Stan.
There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 52. First personal foul. First C foul. 1 minute and 20 seconds. In second quarter.
20 seconds. That's 10 to shoot.
Sige, nasa gitna ang matake. Nag-put 2 point by jersey number 1. Back to 5-point lead. 24-19. 58 seconds. 50 seconds.
Second free throw ni Jordan.
Dario. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 7. Pang-apat na. Jersey number 7. Penalty. 35 seconds. May dalawang free throw doon si Dario. Jersey number 7. Unang free throw. Wala. 25.
Yusuf, water here. In the comment
20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. Traveling violation by Mr. D. 5 seconds. Baso na lang. End of our second quarter. Official score 20-24. 4-point lead by Good Life.
last 4 points po para sa team Japsa. Wala na po tayo sa
Let's begin the third quarter. Oh, 5 minutes. Pwede na mag-sub. Pero yung hindi pa nakapasok, pasok muna.
jersey number 003.
Oh, pili daw, pili.
Pinasakay, jersey number 9. No, gusto ko na po rin. No, good pa rin yan. Wala na po. Hando. Okay, guys. Jersey number 31. Binigay ko jersey number 20.
Mabilis na pilihan!
Hindi pa nakalaro, pasok.
Yung mga hindi nakapaglaro, pasok!
Vera. Jersey number 8. 3 points.
Magtinignig daw.
Sige na, play.
Ay, katabi daw ni Mikmik. Labas mo na si Mikmik.
Okay na?
Oh, okay na. Bola na good life.
Wala naman ang dress.
Change court tayo.
Okay, ready?
Jersey number 14, step back. Mayroong pasa doon para sa kanilang coach. Jersey number 23. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 23. 18 pala. Jersey number 1. To back to jersey number 25. Driving layup. Wala, malakas. Rebound by jersey number 16. To jersey number 18. Still by jersey number 6. To jersey number 1. Batake na bitawan yung bola. Kanina pa ang bola. Dapat ng bola kay jersey number 06. Pero counter still doon para kay jersey number 42 ng Ateneo.
Doon ka sa kabila.
Jersey number 42, setting play. To jersey number 25, back to jersey number 42. 14 shot clock. Escalada for 3, short. Rebound by jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 15. There's a foul. Who's about it? Jersey number 6.
Abado, bumukol ang dress. No good.
First personal foul, jersey number 6. And first team foul. May dalawang free throw doon si jersey number 15.
Wala.
Ang free throw, wala.
Yusef, 1 box. Water here.
Pangalawang free throw. Hoy!
Tumama.
Dito mama. Percussion yan.
Miscommunication. Yusef, water.
Jersey number 1. Scalano, setting play. Pass to jersey number 6. Bumangga, fake, pull up. There's a foul. Who's about it? Jersey number 15. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throw by jersey number 6.
Water here. Jersey number 8.
Unang free throw ni jersey number 6. Hindi natin mapapasok. Wala pa rin.
23.
Grabe free throw ng Ateneo. Hindi pumapasok.
Second personal foul. Third team
Pangalawang
foul.
free throw, wala pa rin.
Yusef, water here.
Jersey number 16, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 14. Connect for 2 point by Hirap no? Dilo.
Second throw.
Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 6. Back to jersey number 1. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 52. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 52.
Score natin ay 39-22.
Jersey number 16. Dribble the ball. Serving play. Mataka sa gitna. Pass jersey number 15. Pinatulala. Wala.
Yorme.
Bola tuloy ng Ateneo.
Jersey number 68. No good. Nakalawado yung pass play. Zuma, 2 points.
Escalano, pass the play to jersey number 42. Pull up for 2. Yes sir. Connect for 2 point to jersey number 42. Official score 24-28. Back to 4-point lead by Good Life.
No good. Nakalawado.
Jersey number 15. Remy left. No good. Blocked by jersey number 52. Pass to Escalano. There's a whistle. Who's fouled at jersey number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 shot clock. Dalawang free throw yun. Para kay Escalano. Jersey number 1. Unang free throw. Wala. Sayang yung mga free throw ng Ateneo. Pangalawang free throw. Tingnan natin kung papasok na. Pasok na yan. 25-28. 3-point lead. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
That shoot. Jersey number 23.
Jersey number 14, connect for 2 points. Piso-piso lang to si jersey number 14.
Score. Score natin ay 43-22.
Scalano. And jersey number 52. And jersey number 42, pull up for 3. Short. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 15. Good yan. Rebound by jersey number 25. Puntan, still good night. Time out by Ateneo. Official score natin 25-30. Oh, pwede na mag-sub. Pero yung bagong pumasok lang. Mamaya pa ay susap. Oh, back to the ball game. Papa blocked by jersey number 6. Scalano. To jersey number 42 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 15. Pass break play. To jersey number 18. Lagagas yung bola. Rebound by jersey number 42. Pass to Scalano. To jersey number 22. There's a foul. Blocking foul. Jersey number 8. 06. 08 yung foul. First personal foul, 13 foul. 13 shot clock. Malihot pass, wala sayang. Bola ng good life. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice pass to Papay, pero wala. Offensive rebound. Pero nabitawan yung bola, sayang. Bola ng Ateneo. Jersey number 42, fake. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 11. Offensive rebound, connect for 2 points. Jersey number 11. 27-30. Back to 3-point lead. Ano yun? Kickball by jersey number 14. Papay. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 shot clock. Scalano. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 6. Umatake. Wala malakas. Offensive rebound by jersey number 22. Wala. Yes sir. Connected 2 point by jersey number 22. 29-30. 1 point lead by Good Night. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 16. 14 shot clock. Back to jersey number 15. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 11. To jersey number 42. To jersey number 22. Reverse. Wala. Pero offensive rebound by jersey number 11. Jersey number 1 is Scalano. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 15. There's a foul. Is Scalano. Jersey number 1. Sub rep. Sub. Tiberio. Time out. By Good Night. Official score natin 29-30. 1 point lead by Good Night. Both team, may tag-dalawang timeout kayo.
2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Masakay, jersey number 3, pinutok sa ring with 2 points.
Back to the ball game. 14 shot clock.
And Balasese lays up. No good naman jersey number 23. Jersey number 33. Yorme Brigega and the Hampo.
Jersey number 0 for 3. Very good. Up in by jersey number 11, by jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 43 for 3. By jersey number 42. Change paper tayo. Line violation. Bola ng Ateneo. 32-30. 2-point lead by Ateneo. Pinasa sa referee. Jersey number 16 to jersey number 0. 58 seconds. Jersey number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Big man. Space Calano. 50 seconds. Jersey number 43. Bumitaw ulit ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 0. Basket play for Papa. Libre. So nag-court bet lock tayo. 35 seconds. Iscalano, sumubok din ang 3. Shoot. Rebound by jersey number 18. There's a foul. Jersey number 22. 20 seconds. 30 foul pala. Second personal foul by jersey number 22. 10 seconds. Steal by Mingming. 5 seconds. Wala pa rin. There's a foul. Offensive foul. Kaya wala na tayong oras. Foul jersey number 6. Mingming. 11 pala. Wala na oras. Si offensive foul by jersey number 11. Let's begin the fourth and final quarter. Both team, may dalawang timeout. Wala ng good light.
5 seconds. First 3. No good. That was jersey number 9. That's the end of our third quarter. The score natin ay 55-31 in favor of
Jersey number 30 for 3, no good. Rebound by Levi. Pass to B. Mr. D ngayon. Mr. Cross. Net for 2 points by jersey number 1. Back to 2-point lead by Goodlife. 34-32. Batang laban. Dikit lang. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 30. Still by jersey number 18. Pero natapik yung bola. Jersey number 30. Ball possession pa rin ang Goodlife. Jersey number 4. Gala. Short. Matira. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Nice play. Connect for 2 points. Jersey number 25. Deadlock tayo. 34 roll. Gala. Setting play. Pinasa sa kalaban. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 25. There's a foul. He's spotted. Jersey number 4. Galang. First personal foul, Mr. Galang. And first team foul. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Wala ang reverse. Natira ni jersey number 18. There's a foul. Jersey number 30. Sub rep, sub. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 shot lang. Here's number 24. Today. Pull up. Yes sir. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 1. Mr. D. 3 points pala. 3 points pala yun. 37-34. Jersey number 23. There's a foul. Who's spotted? Jersey number 28. Warning. Jersey number 28.
Basket count for jersey number 24. Ball by jersey number
Clapping.
8.
Violation. Jersey number 24. Torres. Sub. Pag na shoot. Pag na shoot yung dalawang free throw. Sub daw.
On the stroll. No good.
Dalawang free throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number. Gala ngayon. Nice set up to jersey number 18 pero nabitawan bola. Sub rep, sub. Jersey number 30.
Reply para kay jersey number 24.
Jersey number 11. Steal. Pero counter steal din ni jersey number 7. Kasi jersey number 30. Matake. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 30. Official score 37-36. 1 point lead by Goodlife. Jersey number 24. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 7. Sub rep, sub. Galak. Out muna.
Madali kang pasa kay Dado. Dado.
Second personal foul. Jersey number 7 and second team foul. 14 shot clock. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 15. So good na kanyang drive layup. Out of bounds. Bola na Ateneo. Dario. Able to go. That's jersey number 30. Pull up. Yes sir. Connected 2 point by jersey number 30. 38-37. 1 point lead by Ateneo. Jersey number 0. There's a foul. Hinawakan. Jersey number 11.
He's up on the here.
Second personal foul. Jersey number 11 and third team foul. Mr. D. Pass. Back to jersey number 0. Pull up for 3. Tabingin. Pass to Mingming. Mingming ngayon to jersey number 30. Connect for 2 point by jersey number 30. 40-37. Lamang na ng 3 puntos. Counter steal by jersey number 7. There's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 0. Sub rep, sub. Sub rep, sub. Pasok po. Tawag. Tawag lang. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 11. 3 no good. Sabrep. Ayaw na sa intro lang. Jersey number 1. Pull up. Connect for 2 point. Time out. Diretso lang, diretso. Good. There's a foul. Suarez. Jersey number 0. Sub Bauer. Time out. Time out by Goodlife. 39-40. Remaining time 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Basket yan. Para kay Sweet. Foul. Jersey number. Is ball rep. Jersey number.
Back to the ball game.
Edition rep. Indiana in.
dalawang free throw doon. Si jersey number 30. Wala. Unang free throw. Jersey number 30. Ang jumper ready. Yung free throw, pasok. 41-39. Torres. Torres pa rin ang hawak ng bola. Pantake, there's a foul. Who's got it? Jersey number 18. Warning for penalty. Ang Ateneo. First personal foul, jersey number 18. Unang free throw ni Torres. Pasok. 40-41. Back to 1 point lead. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 2 by jersey number. Not counted pala. Line violation. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes, stop the clock na. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 18. Pull up, third up, no good. Defensive rebound by Mimi. And to shoot. Jersey number 30. For 3. Short. Counter-steal by Mimi. Ano yun? Last 2 minutes. Back-out violation. Bola ng good life.
Dalawa lang ba? Tatlong team.
14 shot na 14. Jersey number 0. Maliw pass. No good. There's a line violation. Bola ng good life. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 14 shot na. Sabrep, sab. Sabrep.
Ano sila na eh?
14 shot na.
Milo.
Jersey number 66 na. Napit ang bola. Jersey number 18. Tapos yung bola ng jersey number 11 napunta kay Mingming. Mingming ngayon. Pass to jersey number 7, Dario. Back to Mingming. Back to Mr. Dario. 14 shot clock. Yung jersey number 30. Pull up, yes sir. Connect for 2 point. Yung jersey number 30. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 43-40. 3-point lead by Ateneo. Offensive rebound by jersey number 15. Malakas ang kanyang tira. Napunta kay Torres. Torres. Bumaga. Pull up. Yes sir. Connect for 2 point. By Torres. 1 minute and 19 seconds. 43-42. 1 point lead by Ateneo. Jersey number 30. Malakas ang kanyang tira. Pass to Torres. Back to jersey number 15. There's a foul. Who's spotted? Jersey number 18. Sabrep, sab. Penalty na ang Ateneo. May dalawang free throw si jersey number 15. 59 seconds. Unang free throw ni jersey number 15. Pasok yan. Deadlock tayo. 33 all. Pangalawang free throw. Tignan natin kung papasok. Kompleto. Time out. By Ateneo. Isa na lang time out. Both team. 59 seconds. Lamang ng isang puntos ang good life. 44-43. Magandang laban. Penalty na Ateneo. Ang good life. May tatlo. Third team foul pa lang. Back to the ball game. 14 shot clock, 14. Tinails ball. 14 shot clock. Daria, setting play. 55 seconds. He goes number 30. Steal by jersey number 18. 25 seconds.
No good that one here.
Back to Torres. Wala. Napit ang bola. Kay jersey number 11. Kay jersey number 13. Wala. Offensive foul by jersey number 30. Si 30. Second personal foul. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Pass to jersey number 0. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Mingming. Pass to jersey number 11. 20 seconds. Counter steal by Torres. It means there's a foul. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 30. Tatlo na. Penalty. Penalty na. Na isa. Both team, tag-isang timeout.
Manalo Team MTV with 68 and 44.
Ang free throw ni Torres, malakas. 16 seconds. May isa pang free throw. Si Torres. Pag pumasok yan, timeout daw ang Dineo. Wala. Defensive rebound. Tumama, timeout by Good Life. Wala nang timeout doon ng Good Life. Timeout po. Ball possession pa rin ang Good Life. Tumama sa paas. Jersey number 18.
Yung player ng Team Pablo, dito na.
Mayroon tayong review. Bola pa rin ng ating Good Life. Nahawakan yung bola. Back to the ball game. 14. 14 seconds. Ano itong shot clock? 14 seconds. 14 seconds. 14 shot clock din.
Foul. Foul na.
There's a foul. Jersey number 7, Dario. Penalty na. Third personal foul, jersey number 7. 10 seconds remaining. Dalawang free throw si Torres. Pasok mo na yan. Wala pa rin. Basket timeout. Okay. Pumasok. May timeout ang Ateneo. 10 seconds. Okay, timeout. By Ateneo. Official score natin 45-43. Both team. Wala ng timeout. 10 seconds. O second game. Return na po. Back to the ball game. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Titingnan natin kung mayroong overtime na mangyayari. O mananalo pa ang Ateneo. Kaya pa ito. 10 seconds.
Rep, paganda yung laban.
5 seconds. And wala na oras, no basket. Congratulations. Congratulations, good life. Magandang laban yun. Best player of the game. Best player of the game, jersey number 1, Mr. D. Jersey number 1 po, best player. 5 minutes warm up, second game.
Talaga nagtatalo. Nirepeat ako. Binigay sa pula.
Akala ko kasi na magbayad siya. Nagpabayad siya. Ano?
Boys, second game natin, UST versus Adamson. 5 minutes warm up.
Kaya